Welcome to Zender's Splash Village. It is a water park that is located right next door to Bronner's Christmas Wonderland. Our family recently stayed the night there, and I thought I would share our experience with you. There are several types of rooms here. You can get your basic room with only a window and 2 beds, or you can even get a nice family suite that will sleep up to 8 people. You can also stay here when the water park is closed. None of the amenities are really available except for the exercise room and the tower pool. However, the price is pretty good for only about $99 a night. Zender's also offers a shuttle. The shuttle starts at 2 in the afternoon and ends at 10 o'clock at night. It picks you up in front of the hotel and drops you off at a location right next door to Zender's restaurant. So you can go there, have dinner, walk around town, get back on the bus, head back to your room, and you don't have to worry about trying to find a parking spot. Because I can tell you, there are times of the year where it is very difficult to find parking. We had room 125, which is a water park view. It includes 4 wristbands, and you can check in at 4 p.m. and check out is at 11. But the really cool thing is you can actually access the water park starting at noon the day of check-in. Not your room, just the water park. And on your day of checkout, you have until 4 p.m. to also use the water park. So that gives you 28 hours of water park time. Those may actually look like a sliding glass door, but it is floor to ceiling windows that overlook the water park, and on the other side of your windows will be the seating area where your family can sit. With this type of room, you actually get to keep your table outside in the swimming area until 4 o'clock in the afternoon the day of checkout. So you check out of your room at 11, and then you can keep all your stuff and hang out in that table and relax and watch the kids swim for 5 more hours. This is a short video of me walking from our room into the water park. So make sure that you bring your room key because you will need it to open the door to get access to the swimming area. I had a little bit of a problem when I was doing it because I was trying to hold the phone, but once you see the bright white light, that is me walking into the water park. In my opinion, the area that we stayed in is more for the older kids. They have 2 giant water slides, and you have to be 48 inches tall in order to get on them. And so they have a family slide, which is 4 people, and a drop slide, which is only 1 person. And by the way, it's 100 steps to the top. Don't worry about packing a bulky life jacket. Zender supplies them for the kids. They also supply a single and double inner tube for the water slides free of charge. This is the other section of the water park. In this area, kids that are under 48 inches tall can ride all of the slides in here as long as they're with an adult, with the exception of the kiddie slides. They can ride those alone. If you go to the website for Splash Village, they have panoramic views that you can look at, so it gives you a really good idea of what the entire water park looks like. If you want to get some fresh air, you can go outside to the outdoor pool. You can also play cornhole there or sit at a table and chair and just relax. The main eating area is called Elf Hollow Cafe, and it is open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You get a breakfast buffet in the morning. It is not included. This hotel does not have complimentary breakfast, but the breakfast buffet is really good, so I would definitely try it out. Also, when we were done swimming, the Elf Hollow Cafe was still open an hour after the swimming area was closed. So I ordered a margarita, ordered a pizza, and I drank it while I waited. And after we were done, I took it up to the room, and everybody just devoured it. It was really good pizza. Are you celebrating a birthday? If so, Zender's has you covered. They have a couple birthday packages there, which offer either a in-room celebration, or you could just take your kids there for the day and have a celebration without actually renting a room. I'm going to leave a link at the bottom of this video in the comments section for Zender's Splash Village, and then you can actually go into there and you can look at more details of the birthday parties if that's something you want to do. I want to mention one last thing. My niece also was staying there with us, but she had her own room. And her room was number 274, and it had a balcony outside overlooking Bronner's Christmas Wonderland. And the views that she had from her room were just awesome. So if looking at the Christmas lights at night is something that you want to do, then definitely request a room where you can overlook the parking lot. I really hope this video was informative for you if you are planning on visiting Zender's Splash Village. I know that we had a really good time and we will definitely be going back. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you want to see more videos on Frankenmuth, please hit the subscribe button and you will get notifications when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching and hope to see you around.